ano, what's up sa inyo mga kaibigan? So today, yung nakita nyo kanina, kahapon pa yun. So today is a brand new day and we will just go to a place that I don't know, hatid lang namin sila kuya. So yun, mamaya na lang ulit mga kaibigan. What's up guys, uuwi lang namin yun, no? So I think this vlog is gonna be a 4-day vlog. So pagsasama-samahin ko kasi tininan ko yung mga vlogs ko, parang ang ikli lang, ang ikli tingnan ng pangit. So kailangan ko madami pang vlog. So 4 days hanggang Tuesday, at meron pang vlog Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The Saturday, birthday ni Bernadine Dizon. Shoutout to you. Happy birthday, advance. So, yun. Yun yung vlog natin. So, bukas na lang ulit mga kaibigan. Bukas na lang ulit. May pasok na bukas at 3, 2, 1. Hey yo, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So, I will go to school now. So, see you guys if I'm in the surveys. 3, 2, 1. So, let's go to the school. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Going home right now, right? Yeah. We're going home and arrange my hair because I'm holding this. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop. Okay, yeah, that's fine, and we are going home in 3, 2, 1. Cover the screen. Yay! No, not that. Hey yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today, it's a brand new day again. And I don't know what to do.
Warning! Para sa mga nagugutom dyan, huwag mo na ituloy to, baka ako pasisihin mo sa gutom mo!
And we will just eat my favorite ulam. Sinigang. Yeah. It's my favorite ulam and
O yun guys, maliligo lang ako, mamaya na lang ulit. See you guys later.
tapos na ako maligo. tapos ako maligo. Doon na din ako nagbihis sa CR, ganun ako eh. So yun, dito ko natatapusin ang vlog. Salamat po sa lahat na nanonood, guys! See you guys in the next video. Salamat po sa lahat na nanonood! Like and subscribe to my video. And peace out. Power! Woo! So, aray ko, ang sakit na mama ko. Ang sakit. Pinagpupush up mo ako, iba na nga lang.